Okay.
He's an Irish dick.
Oh my gosh.
What happened, Mommy? Can I see?
I don't know.
Can I see?
Oh, here it is.
Can I see? Can I see?
Yeah, you want to see the pictures?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that cute girl. Who's that?
Mommy and Daddy. Mommy, Daddy.
Let me get rid of this one. Hold on. Here, look it. Come here. Who's that? Aunt Allie and Uncle Frank.
Still open.
Still open? Wow.
Notice this is left-handed.
Okay.
Go get him, Harrison!
When it happened,
High five!
stuck to him.
Thank you for doing that.
Uh-oh.
Thank you for breaking him up. Oh, is it still your turn?
What happened?
Oh, don't know, but don't you get to keep that in there? Oh, you don't?
There's different ways people play it. That's where they do it.
Fumble. Harrison gets the ball. Touchdown.